So I have the Xreal One Pro and the Xreal Eye on my face, and I've spent some time with it. I've used it. I've kind of explored a whole lot with it. If you want to see a full review of the Xreal Eye, watch this video right here. But since I've been using this Xreal Eye with the Xreal One glasses and the One Pro, I feel like there are people out there that have these questions right here. It's a question that I've come to have after using this combination for some time now. And the question is, does the Xreal Eye add any practical value to the Xreal One? Does it add anything essential to me? Does it provide me with any feature that I actually need that I don't currently have access to with my current Xreal One without the Eye? And is it even worth getting? It's $100, but is it really worth it? You know? And I feel like today I should maybe help some of you guys that might have that question or something similar, or maybe you just want to justify purchasing it. First off, what does the Xreal Eye do? Well, if you have the One series glasses, which is the Xreal One or the One Pro in this case, then you know that these glasses have a built-in 3 dove. What the Eye does is it allows for glasses like this to have 6 dove. The quickest and the most concise way I can explain 3 dove versus 6 dove, which stands for degrees of freedom, so 3 degrees of freedom versus 6 degrees of freedom, is with 3 dove you can look around an object without limitations, and with 6 dove not only can you look around an object, you can also move around the same object. So with 6 dove, it feels more like an actual physical feature, a physical TV in an environment. What that means is, just like you will have a TV in your living room, right? If you want to move to the left of that TV, you can with 6 dove. If you want to move right to that TV, you can with 6 dove. Have you ever had a situation where you're looking at a computer or a screen and you notice something and then you move towards it to get a better look? Well, with 6 dove, you can. Let's say this digital screen is about 40 inches from my eyes, right? If you have only 3 dove, if you move your head closer, that screen would also move farther. So which means that there's no point in doing this if you have a 3 dove. With 6 dove, just like you can move closer to a physical TV, you can move closer to a digital TV as well in 6 dove. And 6 dove works by analyzing your actual physical environment. In fact, this camera will not work in the dark because it needs to get a spatial understanding of your area. And it doesn't have infrared, so it can't, or night vision, so it cannot see in the night. So it needs to be able to understand your environment for it to place that physical, that virtual TV. That way you can look around at it. You can literally even walk behind that physical, that digital or virtual TV, and the image will be flipped just like you can with a physical TV. This is why this glasses is a true AR, because it places something digital into a physical world. So with that being said, what else does this glasses or this Eye add to my life that is practical? First off, having 6 dove just makes the experience feel more realistic. It's not something that I personally necessarily need, because when I'm editing videos, as long as I have 3 dove, I'm good to go. Now, most of the time when I'm editing videos, I'm usually in a dark environment anyway, so 6 dove would not work anyway. So personally, this 6 Dove is not essential to my life. Now, it also has mixed reality recording. So, mixed reality recording means that it can blend the digital screen that you're looking at in your glasses into a physical world and capture that and show, on a mobile display or TV if you want to show somebody, because it is cool. But having the ability to have mixed reality also does not add anything practical to my life besides the fact that it's just cool. And I'm a YouTuber, so it's better for me to show this to people, that way they can easily understand it. But if you're not a YouTuber, if you don't care about showing the world what you're doing, do you need mixed reality recording? No. Once again, it doesn't add any practical value to my life. What else can it do? Well, it can capture pictures and it can capture videos. So the thing is, this is the camera, right? It's modular, it's very small. However, the quality is not so great where I would choose this over an actual phone. And also, in many situations in which I would have these glasses on, I'm usually just sitting down, and maybe I might be riding my e-bike, doing a little bit of stuff. In most cases, I would rather use a higher quality camera to actually capture a moment than use this, because the camera quality is just not good enough for me to choose it over my actual phone. So once again, for me, it doesn't add any practical value, because for one, this is going to be tethered anyway. So why would I plug the glasses into my phone just to take a picture or recording? It makes no sense when I can easily use my phone, which has a much better camera and it's quicker. So once again, it doesn't add any practical value to my life. But here's the thing, just because it doesn't add any actual practical value does not mean you still shouldn't get it. Even though the Eye doesn't necessarily add any practical value to my lifestyle, besides being that I'm a YouTuber, it shows me possibilities, right? Xreal has created something that is modular, and I realized this because of my friend in my chat group named Kasuya, who pointed out the fact that because this is modular, it creates a world of possibilities for Xreal. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in the studio and continue this conversation, because I think that a lot of you, or a lot of people, and so was I, were overlooking the fact that this thing is modular and what makes it so cool. So for me, in terms of productivity, it doesn't necessarily add value, although I see how, you might want to use 6Dove for productivity, because when you're looking at a screen, it's easier to just move your head closer than to try and adjust the distance digitally and stuff like that. But let me get in the studio and talk about productivity, as well as why this Eye is cooler than it seems, or maybe things that people are skipping over that I feel like you should pay attention to. Now, there are different forms of productivity, but the simplest way is obviously having a glasses like this and your phone, or in this case, an Xreal Beam Pro. And if you have the features, then you would want to use your Pro neckband, the virtual glasses, and perhaps a mouse. In my case, I'm always going to use a mouse, my glasses, and for the best productivity, I'm going to use my PC. Now, when I'm using my PC, right, as a real estate agent and as someone who works from home a lot or who does a lot of video editing, I tend to sit at a table a lot, and sometimes my back starts to hurt, and that is why I often, use a standing desk when I'm home. Now, speaking of desk, you can tell that this table is kind of new, right? If you've been watching some of my previous videos, you've noticed that I've been using this table as my overhead display, to display glasses like this and things like that. This table actually has anti-collision. Now, you might be wondering, wait a minute, what is going on here? Why does the table have anti-collision? Well, let me tell you about this table right here. If you're looking at my studio or slash office, you will notice that I have a two table setup. So this is my computer. This is where I sit and edit some of my videos. But this table is not adjustable in height. And then this one is the one that I use when I want to use my AR glasses or do an overhead shot or have something that increases in height. And as you guys can tell, I love wood grain stuff. Even my mouse, I printed this with a wood grain filament to make this. And then you can see the skin on my PC, wood grain. And then just look at how this thing blends in with my computer. This is just an absolute beauty of a table. And this table isn't just a regular table. It is a table that has two powerful motor and has a capacity of 150 kilograms or 352 pounds. This table can increase or decrease its size based on whatever settings that you choose. It has different memory settings for the height that you want to use. I absolutely love this table. It's got wheels on the bottom to move it around. You can just simply play games all day, standing, sitting. You can do productivity, standing, sitting around the house, around your office. Now, why would a table have anti-collision? Well, it's because this table, once again, has two powerful motor that can lift the table up or down. And the reason why you would want to have anti-collision is because if the table is coming up, right, and it hits something, it's going to stop to prevent it from damaging the table or damaging whatever it is. And if it's also going down, if it bumps into something, it's going to stop. It has 3 or 4 sensitivity level, which you can set. And that way you can, prevent accidental damages when you're trying to use the motorized function to lift or lower the table. Now, for full disclosure, Flexispot actually sent this table to me for free for a review. However, everything I say in this video has been 100% my opinion. I mean, you guys have seen my videos. I've definitely been using this table. That's because I absolutely love it. And if you want one, there's going to be a link in the description. Now, back to the Xreal Eye. Having this camera that is modular just brings a whole lot of possibilities in the world of XR. So, in a situation where you work, like if you're an IT, right, and you work in a place where cameras are not allowed, well, if the camera is permanently attached to the glasses, you're not going to be able to use your glasses. But because this camera is modular, you can simply remove the camera, and now you can use your glasses without a camera. Now, another thing is, because this is a modular device, right, you can use this on different glasses. So if you do decide to upgrade your glasses in the future, you can simply, instead of having to buy a whole new one, you can simply adapt this into other glasses. Now, another thing is, because we have this port right, Xreal can simply develop other accessories that will be modular into this port. So for example, instead of this camera right here, right, they could maybe attach, they could make a infrared camera, they could make night vision camera, they could make maybe some kind of accessories that I haven't even thought about that will adapt into this port right here. Xreal is the only one doing this right now, and I think that having this port right here has gone over a lot of people's head. It actually did go over my head as well. It definitely shows the possibility of what Xreal can do with this modular thing right here. I never would have thought to do something modular on the glasses. It's just not something that I would have thought about. If I were to put camera on glasses, it would have been permanent. But as you guys can see, it is actually better to have an adaptable camera rather than something permanent. That way, if you go in places where cameras are not allowed, you just simply take the camera off. But anyway, guys, once again, if you want one of these tables right here, there's going to be a link in the description. And also, if you want the Xreal Eye, just go on Xreal's website. If there's a link to Amazon or something, I'm going to put it in the description. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving these glasses. Productivity is great, you know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.